Sir, what you say about Darwin's theory? Did humans start from monkeys?
Mister, as we know, useful knowledge is essential and always help to build a career for anybody in their lifetime. If we think right, then we act accordingly, and if somebody ponders on useful knowledge, the person will be one of great help and beneficial for society, such as Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and Keith Moore, embryo specialist, and many others. Scientists, inventors, researchers, specialists give a tremendous revolutionary growth to this world. If they were sitting and trying to figure out only unnecessary knowledge, would not help them or wouldn't help to anyone in society, worried about humans came from monkeys or monkeys came from humans.
Sir, the question raised, monkeys came from a monkey or not, or God exists and is there any God or not, etc. Without any research or knowledge, some people try to prove their view. Today we browse on the internet both necessary and unnecessary pieces of information. They also read ebooks or regular books, without focus, the right knowledge. People worry about the whole world, but they don't worry about themselves or their children and family, and don't look at their intentions, whether they are on the right or the wrong direction of their focus.
Mister, you're right. Usually, people spend their times on cell phone and useless talk in the parties without thinking the cause of their views about what they are talking, the results of their conversation, and useless knowledge. They misguide others, even its effects on the future generations. Think about it. What are the benefits we can see in Darwin theory for the people? Billions of intellectuals and genius came before Darwin. Nobody gave this kind of statement, that I think humans came from a monkey. To make it simple, if we came from monkey, we would do some of the action and act like a monkey.
Sir, then I think we should be jumping from one tree to another tree and should not eating meat mostly. Humans love to eat meat, as we all know. Monkeys are a veggie lover.
Mister, as we know, monkeys are not similar to humans at all. Like other animals, how many animals are identical to each other, such as horses, donkeys, mule, and zebras? How about lions, cats, tigers? Do not mix with the animals to human beings, with animals, or any other creatures. They all based on blood, bones, flesh, water, with a function of hearing, vision, talking, thinking, etc. They all are the same, but the structure of their body is different.
Sir, you're right. As we know, every human and creature has various tasks and different jobs. Please don't underestimate the power of Creator and controls and attributes, who is the creator of the universe, this world, and in between, and all the existence. The Creator made trillions of creatures life with their own identity.
Mister, let's talk about the issue. If humans came from a monkey, before we go into the details, if someone came from a monkey to human, fine. The question is how the generation started without the female monkey who turns from monkey to humans. You have never seen the picture of a female's monkey turning into the human, as we know, when made-up stories have no base. We all know humans came from Adam and Eve. Their children came different look with different colors, sizes, such as tall, short, and all other creatures also came from male and female. They came with unseen soul, spends their life in this world, and they go back where they came. All we know, souls are unseen and have no color. It is another miracle of the Creator. Every individual human and creatures have a purpose and a job. The management of the world system does not base on theories and thoughts. They made up thoughts and theories. Humans came from a monkey. Mister, regarding this issue, if monkey became human, where the rear has gone, or they forget to mention when the tail disappeared from monkey's back to become human, or Darwin forgot to mention the event of female monkey turn into a human. If you see, the body of female monkey has full hair just like a male monkey.
Sir, but humans female is not same as monkey female. If we notice, the human female has long hairs with the natural hairline styles. Some have natural curls and some have straight hairs. Some of them want to cut their hair with different styles.
Mister, did you see, at the starting of the picture, the first monkey, in the line of monkeys, they are entirely bending and walking with the feet and hands just like other animals, and then gradually they stand like humans.
Sir, do not forget these pictures drawn by some artists. They can bring their images the way they want. If these monkeys turn into the human, their brains start functioning towards the smartness. These humans-based monkeys turned into the scientists, doctors, technology developers. They invented aeroplanes and all kinds of vehicles, computers and satellites, internet, cell phones, ultrasound X-rays machines, and the great revolutions in surgery and medicine etc.
Mister, if monkey turns into the human, why their brain smartness was not working at that time when they were animals before they turned into the humans? There are millions of monkeys, maybe more, with different sizes. Monkeys are still a monkey, didn't get any improvement in their lifestyle, still they live on trees. I guarantee you until the last day of this world monkeys will remain monkey as a monkey, or humans cannot turn into monkeys.
Sir, the monkey turns into humans. Thinker only ponder about the shapes of monkey, but back in 1800 Darwin forget to think about the improvement of monkey's IQ and the smartness until now, and up till the last day of this world, but every day humans' IQ and smartness improving, growing, and multiplying.
Mister, because of research and technology, humans are becoming scientists, doctors, engineers, technicians, and technology builders etc. Monkeys are always the same.
Sir, Almighty God made humans one of the best and smartest creatures among all the creatures.
Mister, some of the people are still short-sighted thinkers, and yet, they are confused, after all the research in front of them about space, sea world, baby's development in mother wombs, pictures of ultrasound, and they have a curiosity about all kinds of questions. Still they inquire, is there any God, or God exists today? Although well-educated people can see the signs of the Almighty God's existence through the thousands of pictures from universe of galaxies, planets, or sea world and our world. And still, ask about the God existence, without any research and proof they give their opinion.
Sir, where you learn this useful knowledge?
Mister, my source is the Holy Quran, and Prophet Muhammad's teachings are useful knowledge for the understanding of all humanity until the last day of this world. Of course, Torah and Bible and all the prophets came with wisdom and useful knowledge.
Sir, if they came from the same God, then why they are different from each other, such as Muslims, Christian, and Jews? Why are you people strict in your religious laws?
Mister, laws of Allah the Almighty Creator every human should give priority. Code is one from Prophet Adam to Prophet Muhammad. Followers of Moses, when didn't follow sincerely, they find the way out. People changed the laws of Torah. Allah sent Prophet Jesus with a reminder with a corrections book called Holy Bible. When people did the same, then Allah sent Holy Quran, last Prophet Muhammad, and Allah mentioned in Holy Quran, I will protect this until the last day of this world. Revelation revealed whoever reads the Holy Quran, they read in its original language the way it revealed in every era. Many Muslims memories entire holy book Quran and Prophet original teachings with accuracy in all the continents around the world. It's obligatory to read the Quran in the original language the way revealed from Allah 1400 years ago, around the world regardless of people's language, and the original teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Also every Muslim performs 5 times obligatory prayers in the Arabic and whole Islamic structures, such as 5 times prayers, charity, zakat, fasting, 30 days in the holy month of Ramadan, pilgrimage, Hajj, if anyone can afford an Umrah, regardless of Muslim lives anywhere in the world he practices from the Holy Quran and Prophet teachings. That is the purpose of life. Why we ignore it?
Sir, judging from your explanation about Islam, I understand this is the only original religion preserved by God. Sir, thank you. Like your wisdom talk, it makes lots of sense. It was worth to spend the 15 or 20 minutes with you. It opened my eyes when you share the knowledge of real God and His religion. You fulfill all my spiritual desires and requirements, what I have been searching, but I used to have an awful impression about Muslims and religion of Islam. Sir, what's your next suggestion for me?
Dear, before it's too late, you should accept the real God, Allah the Almighty Creator, and His religion Islam, and say, I bear witness there is no God except Allah the Almighty Creator, and I agree that Muhammad is the last prophet and messenger. Dear, get the copy of the Holy Quran, read every day and learn how to practice Islam.
For more informative videos, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. Like this video and share with your family and friends.
I suggest you to read Quran in your language for more understanding of Almighty God Allah.
IsThereAnyGod.com